Hi friends, this week we are working on dialogue, and that's when the characters in our story talks. And one way we learned about dialogue was speech bubbles. And so this week you are making a comic, and you can do it many different ways. This video is just how you would use the Gerald and Piggy slides to be able to make your comic. There's another video as to other ways that you can do this, but if you've decided to use the Gerald and Piggy slides, this is going to help you how to do it, okay? All right, so I want to make my story Gerald and Piggy, and I have a whole bunch of different Gerald and Piggies that you can use. So you're going to take whichever one you want. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this one. I love Piggy's face in this one. And I want to make them bigger because I don't like them being so tiny. I'm going to make them bigger. Here, okay. So my story. Piggy looks like he's thinking hard. So I'm going to make Gerald ask him a question. So I'm going to use my little call out box and I want to make it bigger. So I'm going to stretch it. And I need to put a text box in here. Well, we know to make a text box, we go up here to where it says text box. And we click on it, and then I'm going to fit this right inside the call-out box. And I'm going to type, "What do you want to do?" question mark. And Piggy is thinking, what does Piggy want to do? Let me see. I'm going to go to my next slide. And Piggy is going to answer Gerald here. And look how happy Piggy is. So I'm going to make Piggy say, oh, I need another little speech bubble here. Let me make this bigger. And I want to show that this is Piggy talking. So I'm going to take that yellow part and just turn it a little bit towards Piggy. And again, I need to put my text box in here. So I'm going to hit that text box T and put it right inside my speech bubble. And I'm going to say, I want to eat a giant bowl of ice cream. That'd be good, right? Because look how happy they are. Gerald's thinking about it. Piggy's thinking about it. And they are so happy thinking about this ice cream. And so, what are they going to do next? Oh, I know. I'm going to go to my next slide, and I'm going to put them here. And look, they're happy. They are going to dance, and they are so happy because they're going to be saying, ice cream! Yeah, and I'm going to put 2 speech bubbles because you know what? Gerald's going to be saying ice cream, and I'm making it big because I want to make it ice cream like he's shouting it. So I'm going to type, oh wait, let me make my size bigger here. I'm going to make ice cream with a big exclamation point. Oh, that's not big enough, is it? No way, not for the word ice cream. Yeah, let's make it bigger. There we go. Ice cream. And then let's make it so Piggy says ice cream. And let me make this bigger. Because he is also going to say, ice cream! Oh man, I stretched that a little bit too far, didn't I? There we go. And let me put my text box in here. And I'm going to make it bigger by going up here. And then I'm right, ice cream! And now they're, oh, that's not big enough, is it? Nope, let's make that bigger. There we go. And now they're both so happy. They're going to have ice cream. And, I want something else to happen, though. What? They both want ice cream. What are they going to have to do? I know. Gerald and Piggy. To get ice cream, what are you going to have to do? That's right. Gerald and Piggy, you're going to have to say, and I'll make this like this. Just wait for it. Just wait. Just wait. This is going to be great. And then I'm going to give one for this guy, Piggy. And I'm going to make them up here at the, you know what? I'm going to make them both the exact same height because they're going to say it at the same time. Guess what they're going to say? Look how nice they're standing. Look how sweet they are. They want ice cream. So what do we say when we want ice cream? We say, hold on. Maybe you're thinking it already. But I'm going to say, Mom, can we please have ice cream? Yeah. And then, of course, Piggy's got to say the same thing because he looks just as sweet. And we got to make it the same. So he says, Mom. Oh, wait a minute. Why is that not the same size? Oh, that's a 20. Okay. So he says, Mom, can we please have ice cream? And notice I misspelled please, but that's okay because this is a story. We can exaggerate things in a story. And now let's see what's going to happen. Let's keep them looking like little angels, right? Because that's what we have to look to get ice cream, maybe. And I don't have a picture of Mom. So I'm going to imagine that Mom's hanging out here, that we can't even see Mom. Now, this is not Piggy and Gerald. These are just my helpers over here, right? And so we're going to make it seem like Mom's off to the side. We can't see her. But you know what Mom says? Mom says, sure. Oh, I love Mom. Yeah, Mom says sure. We don't need a period there. We just need sure. Oh, yes. And so what do? You bet. We are going to do the happy dance. Gerald and Piggy are going to do the happy dance. Yay! And that is the end of my story. Yay! So you can come up with your very own Gerald and Piggy story. If this is frustrating or you want to come up with different characters, maybe you want to draw it, maybe I don't have the right Gerald and Piggies that you want, maybe you want to use somebody else. You can do it on slides, you can draw it, it is entirely up to you, but you must have some sort of dialogue, right, using speech bubbles like my story.